Techart fans, this is Kevin from Techart in Germany and we are here in Thailand, in Bangkok for the Bangkok International Motor Show with our partner B Autohaus, and we are building some really nice Techart models right behind me, so let's take a look. Overall we are building 8 Techart models. One is the 911 Targa with a full Techart aero kit, carbon fiber hood, power upgrades, performance upgrades, Daytona 2 wheels, really nice forged wheels, and on the other side we have the Techart Grand GT based on the Porsche Panamera with a wide body kit, carbon fiber parts, power upgrades and everything you want in a Techart model.